Today I'm making stollen. You're going to start by melting the butter into a pan and leaving on the side to cool, and sifting your flour into a big bowl. Into your sifted flour, pour in your yeast and warmed milk, salt and sugar, your cooled melted butter and your beaten egg. You then want to mix your dough thoroughly. Pour the dough onto a lightly floured work surface and knead the dough. Place your dough into a lightly floured bowl and cover with cling film. You then want to put it in a warm place and leave to rise for a good hour. Remove the cardamom seeds from their pods and crush into a coarse powder. You can crush the seeds using a pestle and mortar, but I don't have one, so I'm placing the seeds into a plastic bag and crushing them with my rolling pin. In a bowl, mix together the cherries, mixed peel, sultanas, cinnamon and almonds, and the coarse powder. Once the dough has risen, take it out of the bowl and knead in the filling. Next, chop the dough in half and create a flattened 16 by 22 cm rectangle. You then want to break and place your marzipan over your flattened dough and roll them up into two loose loaf shapes using the long side of the dough. I'm removing any sultanas from the top to stop them getting bitter from the long cooking time. You then need to place onto a floured baking tray, wrap in cling film and place in a warm place for a further hour and a half. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees fan. For other temperatures, they'll be listed here. Pop them in the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. Cool on a wire rack and brush the top with the melted butter. Once cool, dust with icing sugar. So that's Christmas stollen, easy. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave any requests in the comment box below.